Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss the orthographic projections of line inclined to both planes. Now I am considering a textbook question that is from exercise 9b of Basant Agarwal textbook 9.5. Let me read out the question. That is a line 100 mm long straight PQ is lying in the first angle of projection, and it's inclined at 30 degrees to the HP and 45 degrees to the VP. The point R divides the line in the ratio of 1:3, situated 25 mm above the HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections and find out the remaining data. So let me write down the given data here. Problem number 9.5. The given data would be PQ is 100 mm and it is in first angle of projection, and theta is 30 degrees, phi is 45 degrees. R divides PQ in ratio, that is 1:3. Means if you are taking 100 mm, I'll be dividing that into 3 parts, so I'll be getting some 33.333, right? So if your line PQ is like this, so R is located at this position. So 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So R is over here, right? So let's start the problem. X5, and I'll be locating the position of R because R position is given that R is 25 mm above and 30 mm in front, above HP, in front VP. So I'll be locating the position R first. It is 25 mm above. This would be R dash, and down it would be 30 mm. This is R. So I'll be drawing the locus line from both front and top. This is the front view of R and top view of R. This is LL of R dash, LL of R. Okay. Now the front view angle is given has 30 degrees. So I'll be making the drafter for the 30 degrees angle, and I'll be drawing the line length, and for this I have to consider the 100 length, and R is at 33.3 distance. So I'll be making this as a 33.3 distance over here, and from here I'll be drawing the line at 30 degrees. Theta, and this point would be P1 dash and this point would be Q1 dash, right? And next phi, I'll be taking the phi 45 degrees, and I'll draw from here, same, making 33.3 over there. This would be P2 and this would be Q2. Okay, and this is 45 degrees from here. Next, from here I'll draw opposite to this line, and I'll draw the locus lines also from this respective point. This is LL of Q1 dash and Q dash. This would become LL of Q2 and Q, because on this line only your Q would be coming, and on this line your Q dash would be coming, because already and one of the point in between the line is given R dash and R. So obviously if we join the line from this to this one and extend up to this one, we'll be getting another point P dash. This is LL of P1 dash and P dash, and this is LL of P2 and P. Right, now I have to draw opposite from here also. Right, so this would become Q1 and this would become Q2. Now I'll be taking the compass, making this distance and drawing an arc. This is locus arc of Q2 and Q dash, Q2 dash and Q dash. So this point is Q dash, and I'll be taking the distance from here and I'll be drawing the locus arc, and that falls here, and this point becomes Q. Now I'll be joining this R dash and Q dash because I have to draw the projection of P, Q and R. R is in between this one, right? I'll draw the line from here to here and I'll extend that to this one. So this point is Q dash and this point is P dash. Okay. For this also I'll do the same. This is P and this is Q. So PQ is the final top view, and we can measure the distance over here, right? This is 87, and this is the front view. Front view is over 74, and true length is already given, that is 100 mm, and this is also a true length and it is given as 100, right? So this distance is 25, and this distance is 30. So these are the given data, and here we are finding out the top view length, front view length, and this angle called alpha, and this angle beta. So for this I'll be taking the protractor and I'll be keeping over here, and I'll find the angle, that is 43 degrees, and this one for the top view it would be around 51 degrees, and this is 43 degrees. Okay, I hope everyone understand how to draw the question when these type of data is given. This is 1:3, it's not 1:30. Okay. Okay, I think you got the question. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe the channel for updates in engineering graphics. Thank you and bye bye.